humanity have been evolving since emerged from evolution from other animals, other hominids, and humanity have been evolving since then. Since humanity have been first humans as a species emerged, then evolved, then the society with small groups, small tribes, um, was adapting to nature, was exploring nature, and progressively then arose civilizations, different civilizations around different times in our human history. Humans originated around at least at most three 300,000 years, but at least 200 uh, 200,000 years, and so that's a long time from a human, and humans have been evolving have emerged since that time between 300 and 200,000 years, and so and since more recently, since science, even the ancient Greeks, civilization starting to take shape. And more recently, 500 years ago, when science started its first steps, and even more recently, 100 years ago, civilization finally take a very step growth, and and with technology that is based on science, with science that is based no, with science that enables technologies, we have been evolving our society, our tools, and our infrastructure, and our living conditions, and our resources, and, and but also we be evolving our mental awareness with like empathy, values like compassion, veganism, compassion, um, and not sure what else. Basically, in these days, I think is very important. We base things on science to help us achieve better new technologies. I think this is clear, but also with mindset, with better values, with empathy, compassion, veganism, but also, and veganism means uh, for all animals, including humans, with awareness, for example, with climate change and um, environmental um, not sure what to say, what to use the word, environmental awareness, because we must treat nature good, because we live on nature, earth, nature, and so we must protect nature, because we are in a semi-closed system where energy comes from the sun, but basically we are semi-closed system, I think, if I'm not wrong. uh, it's not totally closed because you get energy mostly from the sun, but also you see lights from other stars. However, I think it's not that many. However, there is cosmic rays, so there is some effect on Earth biosphere and conditions. So, but my point is, civilization have been evolving with technology based on science, and the rise of awareness and consciousness. That it is also with the understanding of reality based on science and also technology. And but also values like empathy and compassion, respecting each other, and values about being a good person, and understanding about the how we could be, how we could think better, have more thinking about our thinking about our own our thinking process, meaning we observe our own thinking, we become meta cognitive functions, we become aware of our own thinking, where we become aware of our awareness and metacognition, and that is basically what I'm saying is development of brain capacities, in brain state. We elevate our brain state. I'm not a neuroscientist or something like that, but I'm trying to thinking and trying to express what I think. So, and also what I heard and saw about neuroscience, about the brain, and so, and also our biology in general. We also have now technology that can help our biology with food, hopefully vegan, and many things. So our society have been evolving, um, and most rapidly or more with more speed in the last 100 years, and even in the last decade or in the last 20 years it have been evolving very much. Just this thinking, just saying this, just to say something and express my understanding, and just saying thank you for watching and listening to me. If you are so far, thank you. If you are so far listening to this part, thank you. I appreciate your watching and hear me. However, at this moment, I have a little bit of difficulty in expressing myself in English. Not sure why. Thank you for listening.